following the arrival of the COVID-19 vaccines in the state for the 18 to 44 age group today, the 14 March 2021. The process of vaccinating for those falling within the age group began at several centers in the Shillong city, which included Bethany Hospital, Rinja Dispensary, Nazareth Hospital, Civil Hospital, and Memhans. As per directives from the government, these centers were allowed to vaccinate only 150 people per day per center.
Actually, it's the first time, so let's just see. Right now, though, I'm not feeling anything, no dizziness, nothing, because as people they keep on saying that once you have this vaccination, then you'll be having this and that problem. So right now, I'm not feeling anything. Let's see what happens. Let's see tomorrow.
Ate, nakawan, wala yo. Dito support kat bay ma. Kakam slam ma. Yo ate mentala yo tang la sowan. Apa iki bro kenong tiang tu ya. Mà nó đâu mình sang chị yo am vaccine cái long cùng chuối. Am carry mà là đây yo mình sang cùng BCG. Lagi pang deh ya. Dan Jepang tambah lengkapin dina teh kata yang jeng lain juga kata Jepang deh. Nama Meghalaya lupa kita ki antibody. Ang kanir kalau mencuri, mau numpang siwa tambah Meghalaya jeng ada deh.